Today is the 6th day of the Nutana Shila Stapana. So, on a Navaratri day, on a Friday evening, what we have done is, so far, the Lord has been in a Yoga Nidra. Even though we say that his eyes are covered, nobody can cover the Supreme. So he is doing a Maya for us, so that he doesn't want to see all the preparation. So, if you are building a house, there are so many commotions going on here and there. So, what symbolically we do is we tie the eyes. So, Unmeelanam, in Sanskrit it is called Unmeelanam. That means you are putting bandi. So, we are tying the eyes so that he doesn't want to see all the allola kalola, what is happening here. Hapasar things here and there, people are rushing, we are moving the Lord. We have sculpted him and then we are moving him because it takes time to set him in his abode. Once he is set in his permanent abode, forever, as long as Chatursagara Paryantam, as long as the hills are there, as long as the rivers are flowing, as long as the ocean is there, he is not supposed to move because he becomes a Kshetradipati. He becomes the lord of that particular, all the Netra. So we do what is known as Unmeelanam, Bandage. Then we bring him and then we have to set that idol. So what the Shastra says, you keep them in different adhivasam, immersed. So first day we'll have Taila adhivasam so that all the pieces here and there, holes get covered. And the second day is Dhanya, to show that he is immersed in the bounty of Dhanya. Then Pushpa, Phala and then Tirtha. Because the liar, when the god after the end of Mahapralaya goes and rests in Tirtha, water. And then after he comes out of the Tirtha, we now say that all the paraphernalia is over. No more disturbance to him. He is just ready, he is waiting, he is longing to go and sit in his abode. In his Yatasthanam, Garbhagruha. That's where he is going to do Srishti, Garbhagruham. Then you have to, when he is going from the Yatrasthana to his eternal permanent abode, Garbhagruha, you have to tell him that he is going there. So you remove the Netra. And then like you need, now they say you take eye drops because if you have a corneal aberration and all that thing, they put some lubricant. Likewise, the lubricant you put, we have done all that. The lubricant you put is madhu and gruta, honey and the clarified butter. So first thing is, you remove the Netra bandhana. So we then call it as Unmeelanam, opening of the bandha. And then you offer lubricants because we treat him like our child. So dry eyes. He won't have a dry eyes, but it's all for us. So you do the lubricant, and the sweetest thing, Grita, is all the yajna is done out of Grita. Grita mane clarified butter, nehi. And then Madhu. So you do the slowly and say the beautiful thing. We say, hey Lord, you are opening the eyes. The Veda gives a beautiful mantra. So we are opening the eyes, not that you don't have eyes to see, for our sake. So by the way of opening your eyes, Pashyema Saradasadam, you grant us, forget no job for ophthalmologists. That is the eternal good living. So when he blesses, ophthalmologists are gone. So Pashyema Saradasadam. Then Jivema, no job for doctors. Parik and all gone. Getal Parik's husband, no job. So that is ideal living, no. So, Jivema Saradasadam. Then, forget OBGYN. Nandama Saradasadam. No IVF, no surrogacy, nothing. Nandama Saradasadam. Prajani, Nandaka. Nandama Saradasadam. Then Bhabama, future. No job for economics. Bhabama Saradasadam. This world will run according to his edict. Then, Shrunavama Saradasadam. Always, no job for ENT specialists. Job is that for people like me, Sastra. Okay? So, Shranavama Saradasadam may be here. God, you see. So, and then Babravama. No audio speech pathologist, nothing. No Mita Chatterjee's job also. So, God give us good voice. Vacham ajanayanta deva. What did it come first? Shabda came. When the world was created, what is in every religion? God gave His word. Shabda. Shabda Brahmam. Nada bindu kaladi namo namo. Tuya ambala nila namo namo. Dava ambala nila. Nada bindu kaladi. The place from where Nada, the sound came, where the Shabda came. So always let us make sure we hear good. Shrunavama. Then what you heard, good things propagate to the world. Ano Bhadra Kratavo Yandu Vishwada. Go and tell this to the world. So I need a good voice. Prabhavama. Then I should be always victorious. Nobody is going to question me on that. I want to win. The world, everybody is saying, I want to win, I stopped this, I did this, I did. So, Ajitasyama Saradasadam. Then, how should I live? Every day sun comes on its time, there's no rest. Moon does its job, rivers flow. So, Joksasul, like Surya, I want to live. If these all have to happen, hey Lord, you have to shower your blessings. How do you shower your blessings? Through eyes. So one eye is like Surya, Aditya, another eye is like Chandra, Tingal. So we have opened it. Then the God immediately wants to know, where am I going to be seated? So far you have been keeping me wandering here and there. So we do Ashtabandhan. Then the God has to be placed. So all herbs, Oshadi. So we put that and say, God, tomorrow or today we are going to place you in His permanent. Look at Shastra. There is no religion can match what is told in Sanatana Dharma. What is Sanatana Dharma? Sanatana Dharma dharayati iti dharma. The one that takes care of us. Dharana, money to take care. So Sanatana Dharma says everything. What we want, we have shown it by play, by act. What it says, people have to come together. Did we not come together? I wish the seats are all full. For all the Parishrama, Ranjani and Tena and Radha, So you are bringing people together. So God wants to see us in union. Ur Kudi Teredukam. Murali Marila, Naria post actually, I didn't think very good. Ur Kudi Teredukam. As Aparum. People, we don't go starving. They are going to feed you also. So Sangrahanyeshta, what is the penance? The penance is to live in unison. Sangraham, Sangrahan karna. Hindi mein to Sangrahan. Look at Shastra. What else? Only pity is we don't tell the meaning. Now you know what it is. So that is it. So we have opened the eyes of Lord using the sweetest thing in the world, Madhu. And using the thing as it clarified better offering is as if, because why you use clarified better? It gets clarified. First you get milk. The first filtration for milk happens in the udder. The second filtration for milk happens in the cough. The third filtration of milk happens in boiling. The fourth clarification happens in fermentation. Then you get the butter. Then you churn, another clarification. Then you get it into terms of a butter, venna. Then venna, then urukurum, butter. Then, so this is such much science. Then you get clarified. So you are crystallizing yourself to be a weighing of all the difficulties, all the bad acts in you, and then you get that clarified butter. You offer that to God as a lubricant. Everything is symbolic. See, tomorrow when you go out, you know what is the thing we did. So Netran ko Unmeelan kiya. Nimmeelan se Unmeelan kiya. Tadantaram, we have shown him where he is going to rest. We are building a house. We built it. And then you put the paste and all. God likes only chandan, natural food. So chandan say lepana. Chandana lepana. We did. Then that is the significance. Now you will see beautifully decorated Lord. Why do you have to do? Because the one thing is sugandha. Nana vida parimala pushpa sugandha. Now the God, now he is happy. He knows where is he going to be seated. He is going to shower his blessing through the eyes. Okay. So, Eastern Kanubai also came after a long time. Okay. They are the regulars for my Ramayana. so they know how to. So now we are doing lepan, chandan paste beautifully. So it is the purity. Chandan again is natural. There again you crystallize. Then you show your bhakti. Chandan lepan. Then once you do the chandan lepan, you are elevating the God. Already the God has got sanctified. We have said that. Pasye vasaradasadam, jive vasaradasadam. Then, Ma, Prithivi. You are holding us Prithivi, Tvai Dhara. Vishnu Tvam Dhara Krita. You are held by Prithvi is the one that is holding us. Vishnu is the one that is holding the Prithvi. Prithvi grant us the opportunity to keep your own Devata there. Skand ko usme रहने के लिए आप मुझे मदद कीजिए. वो सभी किया. अभी गार्ड को चंदन में लेपन करके उसको पुष्पांजलि शावर युवर भक्ति. पत्रम पुष्पम फलम तोयम यो में भक्त्या प्रयच्छति. भक्ति से वो देना तो वो वीट किया. So then once it is there, bhakti is there, then you offer the food. Bhakti पुष्पांजलि. आज का तो पुष्पांजलि करना. पुष्प से अंजलि, पुष्प से शावर करके, of course everything with मंत्र पठन है. Then you do Maharati, then you offer prasad, so much prasad. Then he says, okay, I am very happy. Then for all the yajamanas, the God is going to give Ved, Vidajnane iti Veda, Shuddha Shabd. Shabd से आशीर्वाद, आशीर्वाद वचन. तो आज तो पहला दिन सभी यजमानों को, भक्तों को, who had contributed, because you know, फलन उद्देश्य मंदोपी न क्रियते. Ignoramus will not, even an ignoramus. We are not like that, but that is Shastra. So God is saying, okay, you have done this. This is only the token I am showing you. You will be blessed with bounties on next millionaire, Jigna, one more pharmacy shop, all that keep on. And then all that money you make, God says, don't hide yourself, at least try to give something. Please, he is begging. In a way, for lack of better English term, so he is going to ask, give me something. That is the reason. You offer this, and tomorrow, everybody is going to say, okay, I am going to offer you. How do I call you? Sahasrasi, Rishabh, you are having 1,000 names. How do I call? Just a token. Ashtotra Shatanama Vali Archan. Kal hota hai. So we have done this beautifully. 6th day, Tirth said, we have kept him in his eternal place in Mahapralaya mein. Jala mein laya hota. He is not going to extinguish anywhere. He is laya. That is no English term can say that. Then today you will see him in his such a beautifully decorated chandana lepa. And then offer the prasada. And he is going to say, okay, so what is the pristine thing in the world? Ved, Shruti. So with that Akshara Atirvad say, then again bhaktas come, oh your Lord, maybe my evil eyes, Agora Chakshu, my own eyes is going to be the evil. So then they do is the big arati and then drishti. Such a Veda based, I don't do anything without Veda. And what is the significance here? Muruga is, God is everywhere. But he is now more prominently recognized as a southern Lord. So we have done it in such a way that Veda, and then beautifully the ladies then come and show, okay, the sprouts have all come up, everything is merry, everything is happy. Mulaipal. So they said, tomorrow is going to be a function, all the ladies are happy, I'm going to give this, I'm going to make this peda, I'm going to do this dood peda, I'm going to do this. So they all bring that all that. Everything has a significance, everything has a meaning. 6th day is over, 7th day is Mahasambrama. More than this Garbha. This is Mahasambrama. Ved se, Dravida Ved se, Bhakti Granth se, we have done everything. So Hindu Temple has done their best to do, and I just kept on saying no, because I don't, if I do this people call me, but my priority is to finish full teaching Veda to my son. Most of you would have seen him. It's not easy to contest karna. You have seen that young boy doing it with single breath. That also he will recite. Chamak, Chancha me, Mayascha me, Priyancha me, Nukamascha me, Kamascha me, Saumanascha me, Bhadrancha me, Sreyascha me, Vashyascha me, Drishischa me, Bhagascha me. So ask Shanti, Bhaga, wealth, because we don't want God to wink his eyes and go here and that, because everybody is asking him, come to my home, come to my home. So what you do, you bandhan karta with Veda Shabd. So we'll do that, and then anybody can come and see the Lord. One of the beautiful, Chandan is the most important thing for Muruga, Karthikeya. And tomorrow, and the Lord will have the Abhishekam with all, and Panchamrita Abhishekam, Vibhuti Abhishekam, all this. It is not that he is expecting, our own bhakti. So that we are also selfish. I give you 1 handful of vibhuti, you give me 10 handful of coins. So that's what everybody is asking. I want to send my son to Harvard or Yale or MIT, like Viral Patel's Manokamya, let it fulfill. Everybody with bhakti. So 6th day, a grand event, and then 7th day is the most grand event. And because of time, we are not doing the entire elaborate Kalyanotsavam, but I hope Ranjani and all will take that all, because we have to do with Kalyan. Lokakshe matram. It is not that for our hetu. Mangalyam tantuna nena. Not for our. Loka Kalyana hetuna. Kante arthayami shubhage trilokyam mangalam kuru. For the welfare. Otherwise, why would Ellappan come and sit 2 hours here? There should be some reason, no, on a Friday evening. So that is uniting. All has some meaning. With that, Mangalani Santu. Uruvai, Aruvai, Uladai, Uladai, Maruvai, Malarai, Maniyai, Odiyai, Karuvai, Uirai, Gadiyai, Vidiyai, Guruvai, Varuvai, Aruvai, Gugane.